You think AI is going to steal your job, right? Let's pause for a second, because what I'm about to say might completely change the way you look at your future. In the last few years, we've been hearing non-stop, machines are replacing us. Robots will do everything. Soon there won't be any jobs left. That creates real fear. People ask themselves, what's going to happen to my profession? What about my income? Am I spending years learning something that'll be irrelevant in a few years? But the truth is a bit more complicated, and honestly, a lot more hopeful. Let's start with the scariest question. Is AI really going to replace us? The answer is, not exactly. AI isn't here to erase people. It's here to change how we work. And usually the ones who get hurt are the ones who ignore it. The ones who win are the ones who learn how to use it. Think about it for a second. Before the internet, if you wanted information, you had to go to a library, open an encyclopedia, flip through pages. Today, you just search. Seconds. Does that mean there are no more researchers, teachers, students? Of course not. But people who never learned how to use the internet got left behind. The same thing is happening now, just much faster. Let's talk about actual jobs. Take a graphic designer. In the past, they would sit for hours sketching ideas, trying different layouts, playing with colors. Today, a designer who knows how to use tools like image generation models can create dozens of concepts in an hour. Does that mean there's no more need for designers? Not at all. It means the slow, repetitive part of the job shrinks, and the creative part, the taste, the brand understanding, the decisions, becomes more important. Same thing with writers. A copywriter used to start from a blank page. Now they can use AI to brainstorm angles, headlines, hooks. Does that mean their job is gone? No. It means they need to learn how to turn AI into a partner, not an enemy. Writers who work as if AI doesn't exist will simply be slower, less efficient, less competitive. You see it with programmers too. There are tools that suggest code, complete functions, even help debug. You can panic and say, so why do they need me? But here's the reality. The person who understands code, architecture, security, and logic is the one who decides what's correct, what's safe, what actually fits. AI can suggest. A human still needs to judge. And that brings us to an important point. AI replaces tasks, not people. It takes off the table a lot of the boring, repetitive, mechanical work and makes the human parts of the job more central. Thinking, creativity, empathy, understanding people, making decisions. And think about this. In almost every technological revolution in history, there were two kinds of people. Those who clung to the old way. This is how we've always done it. And those who said, okay, how do I use this to my advantage? You want to be the second type. Now, here's something most people don't think about. It's not just that jobs are changing. Totally new jobs are being created. There are already people whose job is literally to write good prompts for AI. There are AI consultants who help businesses figure out where to use AI to save time and money. There are people who specialize in checking the quality of AI systems, creating training data, or building entire content businesses powered by AI. Videos, images, courses. A few years ago, none of that existed. In a few years, there will be even more roles like these. Just like social media manager wasn't really a thing once, and now it's a full career. But now we get to the most important part. Where do you fit in? If you're asking, will AI take my job? You're asking the wrong question. The right question is, how do I turn AI into a tool that helps me instead of something that scares me? Think about your own field. It doesn't matter if you're a student, teacher, business owner, programmer, designer, marketer, or even if you're just starting out and still figuring things out. In almost every area, you can ask two simple questions. 1, which tasks keep repeating and eat up my time? 2, can AI help me do those faster? Writing emails, preparing presentations, drafting posts, translating, summarizing articles, writing basic code, generating content ideas. Every time you find something repetitive, that's a chance to ask, could AI handle this part so I can focus on the parts that actually need me? Here's another hard truth. People who know how to work with AI will replace people who don't. Not because they're smarter, but because they're more efficient. An employer will always prefer someone who produces twice the results in the same time. A client will always prefer a freelancer who delivers more value, faster. This is about having an advantage. So, what can you do right now without waiting for some future? First, stop being scared and start playing. Open AI tools, experiment, try things, make mistakes, try again. Ask yourself, how could this tool help me in my line of work? If you're a student, use it for summaries, explanations, practice questions. If you're a business owner, use it for marketing ideas, emails, automation, customer replies. If you're a creator, use it for scripts, titles, formats, hooks. If you're a developer, use it for code suggestions, learning new technologies, debugging. Second, understand that AI does not think for you. It's not a replacement for your brain. It's a tool, like a calculator. No one says, there's a calculator, so I don't need to understand math at all. Same here. The more you understand, the stronger the tool becomes in your hands. Third, ask yourself seriously, what human skills am I improving alongside AI? Because as AI gets stronger technically, the things that will be worth the most money are the things it's still bad at. Communication, understanding people, building relationships, original creativity, critical thinking, leadership, taking responsibility. At the end of the day, the future of work won't be humans versus AI. It'll be humans with AI versus humans without AI. And in every powerful system, you still need people to guide it, design it, decide what's right, and make sure it serves real human needs. So next time you hear, AI is going to take all our jobs, remember this. AI doesn't replace workers. It replaces workers who don't know how to use it. And the question isn't, what will happen if it arrives? Because it's already here. The real question is, what are you going to do with it from this point on? If you want, drop your profession in the comments and I'll make more videos showing exactly how to plug AI into your field. So instead of being afraid of the future, you can start building it.